The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, alongside its companions in the lineup, promises a suite of upgrades and refinements. With rumors and leaks trickling in, it's time to break down everything we know about this much-anticipated device. According to Ice Universe, a well-known tech insider, the Ultra model will adopt a curvier look, which could make it the thinnest Galaxy smartphone in recent years. Coupled with thinner bezels, this sleek design is set to deliver both aesthetic and functional improvements. Rumors also suggest an increase in screen size, with reports of the Ultra boasting a large 6.9-inch display, aligning it with other premium devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. For color enthusiasts, supply chain analyst Ross Young reports that the phone will be available in titanium, black, green, and blue, with Samsung offering exclusive shades like pink, blue, or black, and jade through direct sales. Leaks from a camera FV5 listing indicate a substantial boost in the ultra-wide lens, jumping from the 12-megapixel sensor found in the S24 Ultra to a groundbreaking 50-megapixel sensor. This enhancement, paired with 4-in-1 pixel binning, aims to produce more detailed and vibrant 12.5-megapixel shots. The device will also maintain its powerful quad-camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. When it comes to performance, the Ultra is expected to shine with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This advanced processor is set to deliver top-tier AI capabilities and exceptional processing power. Ice Universe also claims that all devices in the S25 series will exclusively feature the Snapdragon chip, marking an end to the era of Exynos-powered variants worldwide. Jukan Los Reeves' latest tweet reveals 3 variants for the Ultra model: a base version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, a mid-tier option featuring 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage, and a premium version boasting 16 GB of RAM alongside 1 TB of storage. While the battery capacity remains unchanged at 5,000 mAh, reports suggest significant advancements in wireless charging technology. Jukan Losrev revealed on X that Ice Universe told him that all models in the lineup would support Qi 2 wireless charging. This system could potentially provide faster 15-watt wireless charging speeds, though leaks also suggest that the magnetic charging feature might rely on a separate case that incorporates magnets rather than being natively integrated into the phones. Building on the charging upgrades, another prominent rumor suggests the integration of a MagSafe-like system, mirroring Apple's innovative approach. While specific details about One UI 7.1 have yet to be disclosed, the updates are expected to complement the upgraded hardware seamlessly. This year, rumors point to the event taking place on either 22nd January or 23rd January 2025, with most insiders favoring the earlier date. Time zone differences between South Korea and the US could explain the slight discrepancy in dates. The base S25 and S25 Plus are expected to remain priced at £799 and £999 respectively. However, the Ultra model may see a price hike. Ming-Chi Kuo, a well-regarded analyst, suggests that the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset costs 25 to 30% more than its predecessor, potentially raising the Ultra's cost. Which features stand out to you the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews.